Konnichiwa, I'm Kiki Kawasawa.
Kawasawa Koko desu.
And we're here to teach you Japanese. If you're looking to learn Japanese,
And by watching this video, I'd assume you are.
then I'd recommend your first step should be learning how to read and write.
That way, every time you learn a new vocabulary word, you'll also continue learning to write.
In Japanese language, there are three writing systems: kanji, hiragana, and katakana.
Kanji are the complex characters that disambiguate the meaning of a word. Hiragana are the smoother and simpler characters used in so many situations, such as at the end of verbs, how to pronounce kanji when used as furigana, or by children when they're first learning how to write. Katakana is usually used for foreign words or known words, onomatopoeia, scientific terms, company names, or for emphasis, where you'd use italics in English.
Then there's Ryōmaji. It's a way for those who use the Roman alphabet to read Japanese words.
And nothing more. If you're really serious about learning Japanese, or even if you're not and you just want to look impressive, you have to learn how to write. And again, you'll have more time for it to become natural if you start straight away.
Learning Japanese with Roman letters is sort of like learning English with Japanese. So there's 48 basic hiragana characters, but for today we're going to start with A, I, U, E, O.
You can write along with Kiki as many times as you like. Just go back and pause if you need a moment. Ready? Let's try A.
This is pronounced A as in father, but a bit more open, such as in words like ao, asa, ashi.
If you squint, it sort of resembles a letter A a bit. So, start with one horizontal line, then draw another line down to make a cross. Then you just add a little swirl. Well done! Well, I can't really see, but I assume you did very well. Let's try another one. I, pronounced I as in eels.
It sort of looks like eels.
It's in words like ichi, iru, isu, but it's not pronounced exactly the same in words like you.
It sounds more like you than EU. One of very, very few exceptions when it comes to hiragana, but still very few variations in comparison to languages like English. Other than that, you can trust kana to be very consistent.
So start at the far left.
Down, up, and down.
Notice how sometimes it trails off to connect with one another. When you're writing, just keep a little bit of that.
You can already write a whole word now. Ai. In kanji, ai means love. But so many kanji have the same pronunciation. That's why we have kanji to know the difference between homophones.
Exactly. That's a good case for learning kanji. Until we get to it, hiragana is used as furigana or ruby letters to show the pronunciation of kanji.
You can't rely on it being everywhere, but we'll put furigana to give you a helping hand along the way. On to the next one.
U. U as in fool, or in words like uchu, usagi, umi.
It sort of even looks like a mouse saying ooh.
This one's a short one. First you start at the top, then you make a wide curve going down and to the side, and that's it. Let's try it again.
Tilt to the side, then a curve. Tilt to the side, then a curve. Oh, you can write more words again. Au to meet, or au to match, and you to say, or even ui for splendid or fine person. Obviously you don't have to know how to write these, it's just a bit of fun to see how many words you can already make.
Yeah, but take a look at ui. This is not a very common reading of this kanji at all, but it just shows one example of how kanji have so many readings. But again, hiragana will usually have the same reading. It's not like English or Swedish where every letter has 50 different pronunciations.
Reliable hiragana. Speaking of,
Right, on to e, as in pet, or in words like ga,
the letter N sort of looks like
You start with a tilting stroke to the side, then one long stroke that goes to the side, then down, then up again and down again. Let's have another go.
Side, side, down, up, down, side, side, down, up, down.
And lastly, or, as in a more posh pronunciation of the word open. This is in words like ori, otoko, o. O has its humble beginnings as a horizontal line. It starts up here, then folds down, but bounces back up, rolling over with a swoosh. Then there's a little extra piece of confetti here at the end, celebrating how he survived the tumble. Let's go again!
Side, down, up, down, down, side, down, up, down, down.
And that is all of the standalone vowel characters of hiragana. Now you can write many, many words like a, I, aioi, aoi, au, au, e, ie, ie, you, oi, oi, oe.
But obviously one go isn't going to do it. You can write along with them all once more with us. Then you can rewind and try as many times as you like.
Thank you so much for riding along with us.
そしてご視聴していただいてありがとうございました。次回のキキとココのリス日本語ひらがなのカピクゲコとさしすせそお楽しみに。